I want to clean where I keep my food items. The storage. Okay, let me remove everything. Yeah. Oh, this is what I used to protect my food. Okay. I remember. Okay, let me face it back. Pasta. My pasta. My seasoning. So, okay, my rice. Then let's fix this down one. My pepper. Okay, my pepper. My sugar. This is salt. It's almost finished. My salt, let me put it here so that it will stay here. Then my seasoning cube, I have to fill it. My Maggi. Okay, let me put it. My salt is going to stay here. My Maggi stay here. Okay.